Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So on the Euro-US dollar, I'm still very bullish overall. I still think this is very likely to continue the uptrend. I still think this is probably going to be an expanding flat wave C, which I still think is most likely going to go up and take out these previous highs. So this is the monthly, and that's going to take a very long time to play out. Going down to the weekly, I still believe this first push up is a wave 1. I still think this looks like an expanding flat wave 2. Higher high wave B, lower low wave C. That would make this first push up a wave 1. That possibly would make this a complete wave 2. Today we do have CPI data. Hopefully that's going to help confirm whether or not this really is a wave 2 or not. And hopefully that just keeps it going up for a big wave 3. So let's take it right down to the daily time frame. Like I said, we do have CPI data coming out today. That's a very important news event for the dollar. I mean, I'm still sticking to the idea until proven otherwise that this is possibly the end of an ABC correction. Across the board, it looks like the end of an ABC. It kind of looks to me like it is a wave 1. It looks like a wave 2. And it looks to me like it still should be going up for a wave 3. So taking it right down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we do have a nice uptrend, which I would always label as either an A or a 1. We have a nice move down, which I would label as a B or a 2. I think that more than likely we are in a wave 3, and I think that more than likely today's news is going to cause this to continue to go up and hopefully confirm that this really is a wave 3, especially on the higher time frames. So taking it right down to the 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, I was kind of thinking that maybe it would kind of drift down over the next couple hours, setting itself up hopefully for a long, or maybe the other case is that maybe initially it does go down and turn into a spike reversal at the news. Either way, I am definitely still looking for longs based on my higher time frames. I actually think that the dollar is more likely to go down, and I think that the euro dollar is more likely to go up at today's CPI news. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here to the left, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and the swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.